What's up guys, welcome to another unboxing video. This time it's Boya by-m1. It's a lavalier condenser microphone. I ordered it on Amazon and got it delivered today. So I got it for 800 rupees. Let's open the package now. We got the microphone. It has 20 feet long cable. It's the microphone attached with a collar clip. It has condenser. We got a manual and a carry bag. And a warranty card. Let's check what's inside this bag. We got some equipments. Let's open this. It has a battery cell, a sponge, gonna load the battery cell into the condenser later. And 3.5 mm to 9 mm adapter. I got a dust-proof sponge to attach in the end of the mic. Its frequency range is 65 Hz to 18 Hz and signal is 74 decibel. It can output 1000 ohm. So I have attached the dust filter and I'm going to now load the battery. This is where the cell goes in. This microphone has two modes, camera mode and a smartphone mode. While you are using in smartphone mode, you don't need a battery to work on. But when you want to connect this microphone with a DSLR, you need to change it to camera mode. It needs the cell to work. Here you can see the switch to the camera mode and smartphone mode. The cable is really nice and durable. And the battery type is LR44. Thanks for watching guys. Do subscribe my channel.